Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Now today we're going to be looking at email marketing campaigns. How do you create them? What are they? Let's start. Now, email marketing campaigns are a series of coordinated marketing messages sent to a group of people via email. Now here's a breakdown of the key components. 1. It is goal oriented. You see, every campaign has a specific objective, such as increasing sales, generating leads, building brand awareness, and customer retention. You see, you have to be able to, every campaign wants to promote their products or services, wants to collect contact information for potential customers, increase brand visibility and recognition, and retain existing customers and encourage repeat business. So what's one of the components of marketing campaigns, email marketing campaigns? The second one we have is targeted audience. You see, campaigns are designed for specific groups of people based on their interests, demographics, and past behaviors. Now, the third breakdown, let's see, is compelling content. You see, effective campaigns feature well-written, engaging content that resonates with target audience. And this includes clear and concise subject lines to entice recipients to open the email. Also, it includes compelling visuals, images, graphics, and videos that will capture your attention. Then, strong calls to action, CTAs. So this is to encourage recipients to take a specific action such as making a purchase, visiting a website, or signing up for a webinar. Then, regularity. You see, compelling content needs regularity. You see, campaigns can be one-time sent or a series of emails sent over a period of time. What do I mean? This is actually, we're talking about the key components. Talk about it being we're talking about the key components of email marketing campaigns. Talk about it being goal oriented, which is the first component. It's targeted, it has a targeted audience, the second component. Compelling content is the third component, and the fourth one is regularity. You see, campaigns can be one time sent or a series of emails sent over a period of time. It depends on how you want it to be. Then the fifth one is tracking analysis. That's the fifth component. You see, you must monitor key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. It is very crucial for evaluating your campaign effectiveness and making necessary adjustments. Let's look at examples of email marketing campaigns. Example, we have welcome emails. This is sent to new subscribers to introduce them to your brand and offer a special welcome offer. So can you see? Another example of email marketing campaign is promotional emails. For example, these promotional emails announce sales, discounts, and special offers. And the third one is product launch emails. This helps to introduce new products or services to your audience. They also have the newsletter emails, which help to share valuable content such as blog posts, industry news, and exclusive offers. Then we have the customer retention emails, which encourages repeat purchases and build long-term customer relationship. So by strategically planning and executing email marketing campaigns, businesses can effectively reach their target audience, build brand loyalty, and drive revenue growth. Now, we've seen the importance, the components of email marketing campaigns. Now I want to look at how can we create, how do we create email marketing campaign? Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is define your goals and audience. You must have a clear set objective. What do you want your campaign to do, the email marketing campaign to do? Is it to increase sales, generate leads, to boost brand awareness, or to drive website traffic? You must set clear objectives. Next, you must know your audience. So, who are you trying to reach? What are their interests, demographics, pain points? When they spend their time online, you must know this about your audience. Then, after defining your goals and audience, the next step you need to take to be able to create email marketing campaigns that are effective is to build an email list legally and ethically. So, obtain explicit consent. Always obtain explicit consent from individuals before adding them to your email list. Then use clear opt-in forms. For example, subscribe to our newsletter, sign up for updates. These are clear opt-in forms so people can click. Next, offer a valuable incentive. For example, a free ebook, a discount code, exclusive content. These are ways to build an email list legally and ethically. Then the next one, why is building an email is you can also build an organic list. How? Place subscription forms on your websites. Promote your email list also on social media. Offer exclusive content in exchange for email addresses. These are all website forms, social media, and content upload. These are ways of building an organic list. They also avoid purchasing lists. You see, purchase email lists often contain invalid or inactive addresses and can harm your sender reputation. So the third step to take is to choose an email marketing platform. Now, we have the first step we took was to define our goals and audience. Now we have built an email list legally and ethically. The next step, which is the third step, is to choose an email marketing platform. Now there are many popular choices. We have options like MailChimp, which is user friendly and good for beginners. We have ActiveCampaign, which has robust features, strong automation capabilities. We also have ConvertKit, and this is designed for creators and bloggers. We have GetResponse, which is a comprehensive platform with advanced features. We also have Constant Contact, which is easy to use and good for small businesses. So after choosing an email marketing platform from all the popular choices, or you can decide to not choose from this, depends on you, the next thing you need to do, which is the first step, is to create compelling email content. The content is the next thing. Now, how? Craft a catchy subject line, make it concise, relevant, use strong verbs, numbers. Use the A/B test different subject lines to see which performs best. Check it, which performs best. Then the next thing you can do is write engaging copy. Please don't forget to write it. Make sure it's engaged. Keep it concise and to the point. Use a clear and concise call to action. CTA, for example, shop now, learn more, download now. Those are very clear and concise call to action. Then personalize your emails. So use subscriber names and segment your audience to send targeted messages. Use their names. When you see their names, it makes it look more personal to them. Next, visual appeal. Don't forget to use high quality images and graphics. Keep your design clean and uncluttered. Maintain a consistent brand look and feel. Then the fifth step you can take is to segment your audience. You see, always divide your audience or your email list into smaller targeted segments like demographics, their age, location, gender, under interest, product preferences, and purchase history. Then under engagement, open rates, click-through rates. So you segment your audience. Then you send targeted messages. Always tailor your email content to the specific interest and need of each segment. So the sixth step is to schedule and send your emails. You've completed your emails, now you need to schedule it and send it. Now choose the best send times. You see, you need to experiment to find the optimal time to send your emails. Consider your audience's time zone and when they are most likely to check their emails. Then test different subject lines, email content, and send times to optimize your campaign. So experiment there. Next, step 7 is to monitor and analyze results. Always monitor and analyze your results. You need to track your key metrics. Check your open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, bounce rates, and unsubscribe rates. So you need to track them. Next, you need to use email marketing platform analytics. Most platforms provide detailed reports on your email campaign performance, so use them. Next, you need to analyze your results. Identify what is working well and what needs improvement. Then you make necessary adjustments based on your analysis so you can refine your future email campaigns. Step 8, compliance and best practices. Always comply with email laws. Yes, if you're in the US, comply with the Spam Act. If you're in Europe, comply with the GDPR. If you're in Canada, CASL. So always comply with email laws. Then provide an unsubscribe option. So once you have a subscribe option, please provide an unsubscribe option. This is to make it easy for recipients to unsubscribe from your emails. This is best because you need to comply with email laws. You need to comply. And this is the best. This is a very good practice. Even though you might not want to, it's very necessary. Next, always maintain a clean email list. So you have to regularly remove inactive or invalid email addresses. So these are the 8 steps. The 8 steps for you to be able to create effective email marketing campaigns. Now the next time I'm going to give you some takeaways, since you can take away from this, is 1. Build a strong relationship with your audience. 2. Provide valuable and relevant content. 3. Focus on delivering a positive user experience. And 4. Continuously monitor and improve your campaigns. So by following all the steps and continuously refining your approach, you can create effective email marketing campaigns that drive results for your business. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.